Good afternoon, everyone. Today I am using my Denali pressure canner pot to water bath some jalapeños. Our jalapeños are coming in like crazy. Let me show you how we got here. Let's go over the ingredients real quick to our jalapeños. Now guys, if you like the trapeze or if you like the other popular brands, these are a mock-off. Greg loves these. He loves these pickled jalapeños, and everybody that's had them loves them too. So right now I've got 1-to-1 white vinegar, 5% acidity, and water heating up on the stove, 1-to-1. I also have a handful of carrots, onion, and a half a clove of a very large garlic. That's going to go in each of these jars. Next, I'm putting a teaspoon of pickling salt in each of the jars. Now, you can add as much or as little of the onions, garlic, and carrots as you want. You can fill it up halfway if that so is your desire, but this is what we tend to do. Now, our jars are sterilized and washed, or washed and sterilized, guys. So now we're going to start filling them with our washed, clean jalapeños. I cut the stems off, guys, to give it a little bit more room because these do shrink up. You will have a fully packed jar, and when they're done processing, you'll see that there's a little bit of a gap. So anything that'll make you more room. My brine is ready to go. My jars are packed as tightly as I can get them. So next, you want to get the air bubbles out, and you'll use your debubbler that comes with your canning kit. So I'm going to do this with all my jars, and you can see when I do this, some of the water levels drop, so I'll need to top them off. Then I'll need to wipe off my rims. Oh yeah. Ooh, I can already smell them. Ha chihuahua. Finger tight your lids, put them in your canner, guys. Bring it to a rolling boil, and then you're gonna do this for 10 minutes. Super easy. This Denali is very versatile, especially using it for pressure canning or your hot water bath. Love, love, love. And you can see I'm using their fantastic Sherlock lids. So we'll take these out in a little bit and see how they did. We have 6 quarts in there. I could have gotten 8. Are these not the best looking jalapeños that you've ever seen, guys? Now you're going to want to let these sit about 7 days, and then they will be ready to go. Now you will not hear the classic pop on the Denali because they have the preserve lock, and you want to wait. These will sink down in about 20 to 30 minutes. So here you go, my friends. You can see that my Denalis are starting to seal. Canning can be super easy. With the Denali canner, it is for beginners. It has its automatic vent. There's so many great things and safety features about this Denali canner. So you can use it for pressure canning, and you can also use it for hot water bath. We love ours. Take care. God bless. Hope you enjoyed this video. See you soon.